pretty much the home screen of the application. And what this application really pretty much does is create invite cards or greeting cards. As you can see here, a lot of templates which you can use as it relates to specific events, birthday, shower, party, engagement, and so forth. That's pretty much how the application works. And as well, as you can see here, you have the Valentine's Day option, you have the New Year's option, you have the St. Patrick's Day option celebration. And if you do tap on the New Year's option, let's say you're keeping a New Year's party, you want some invites to be sent out, or you just wanna send out some New Year's party invites to people. You pretty much can use these templates here. So you can see a lot of templates. You have the luxury templates. You have the colorful templates. You have a lot of templates which you can use. And as well, if you want to use any one of these templates, or if, let's say, this one here is your favorite, you can tap on the art icon here to add it as a favorite. But if you want to use any one of these, just tap on the one that you want to use, and it will start downloading in no time. So once it's finished downloading, you'll be able to edit it also how you feel pleased, and you can pretty much tap on anything here and go ahead and edit it, as you can see here, and also adjust the text to your liking. And as well, you can, let's say, put it PDF file to a Word, and you can so forth. These are the ads. Sorry about that. But anyways, down here, I should say, the sticker option, we can add stickers and so forth. Let's say you want to add a picture of yourself. Whatever cases, you can do that. Tapping on this option down here, and a lot of other features which you can use, as you can see here, and just swipe across and you can see a bunch of stuff which you can pretty much add to this. And once you're finished, you just tap on the next option here and you're pretty much good to go. Let's say I've done something as well that you may want to erase. You can tap on the option at the top here to undo anything that you have done. And let's say I've done something and you've accidentally removed it, you can tap on this option here to do it. That's really pretty much it. So once you pretty much find the template that you want to use, so once you pretty much find everything that needs to be found, here you'll be able to go ahead in the greeting section. So same thing as the invitation section, you have the greeting section. Same thing applies. Nothing is different. Select the one that you want and you'll be able to edit it. Good to go. So at the top here, you have the crown icon, which you pretty much can go ahead and, I would say, download documents or download the files. As you can see here, you have a 3 days free trial, and you do get a 1 week subscription. As you can see here, you have a weekly subscription and a yearly subscription. Here, you can get a 3 days free trial, as I said before, and pretty much what we get it. And yeah, that's really pretty much it. Nothing much for that as well. So while I'm getting into the application, you're going to see a lot of ads, so do keep that in mind. So yeah, that's really pretty much the application overall. So if I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section and I will see if we can help you out. With all that said, guys, see you in the next one.